Hello teachers! In this video we will learn about the ATL Marathons teacher portal in its entirety in a step-by-step manner. In order to go to the portal, type the following URL in the address bar. You will be taken to the home page of the ATL website and it will look like this. On the top of the page, you will find two buttons, Register and Login. Since we have already registered, click on Login. However, if you haven't registered yet, please check our videos on ATL and non-ATL teacher registration. Now, please click on the Teacher Login tab and enter the login details, which are your email address and the password. By clicking on the Login button, you will be taken to the Teacher Portal dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, please click on Forgot Password and you will be asked to enter your registered email ID and the new password will be sent to your email address you entered. This new password can be used to log into the portal. You need to click on Back to Login, enter the email ID and new password shared by email and click Login. You have now successfully entered the ATL Marathons teacher portal. You will first see the teacher dashboard in the center and different sections on the left side of the screen. On the dashboard, there are statistics like number of teams, total students, teacher course percentage, and number of ideas. Initially, these statistics will display 0 as there are no teams registered, no ideas submitted, and the teacher hasn't started the course, as there is no data entered by the teacher in the portal. You will have to select a team under the Team Progress column in order to measure your team and students' progress under different parameters. As there are no teams, this column will be empty. So let's create a team first. To the left side of the screen, click on Teams section to create teams. In order to add a team, you have to follow the set of instructions mentioned on the page. For example, please note that email ID has to be unique for each student. Also, the minimum number of students in a team is 2 and the maximum is 3. Each team consists of a teacher, a mentor, and students. Please note that a teacher cannot be a mentor. Now, in order to create a team, we will click on the button Create Team. Firstly, we will be asked to add new team details like team name, mentor details like mentor name, email address, gender, and mobile number. Note that you could also create a team without a mentor. After entering these details, click on Submit. The team has been successfully created. There are two actions that you can perform right now on this team. View the team, which will only show the mentor's details as the students are not yet added. You can click on Edit Mentor Details if any changes are to be made. Click on Back and now let's add the students to the team. Under Actions, click on Add Team Members. Enter the students' details like student name, email address, age, disability, class, and gender. Remember that a minimum of 2 students and a maximum of 3 students can be added to the team. Click on Add More to enter the third student details and click on Submit. This will add the students to the team. This way, you can create any number of teams. If you have added only 2 students, you will be given the option of Add Team Members under Actions along with the View button. You could click on Add Team Members and add the third student details. If 3 students are added, only the View button will be displayed under Actions. You can view and edit the team details by clicking on View. On the top, you will find mentor details and on the bottom, student details will be displayed. The user ID and password which are to be shared with the respective students are mentioned here. The following options are available to make any changes to the team and students. Click on this pencil icon to edit the student details. If the student changed the password and forgot the password, you can click on this key icon to reset the password to the default password, which is the email ID without the @ domain name and .com. To move a student from one team to another, click on this profile icon, where you will be asked to select the team to which the student needs to be moved to. Once selected, click on Submit. And now you can see that the student has been moved from one team to another. Click on this bin icon to delete the student's details. A prompt will be shown to confirm the deletion. Now the team count will be shown as 2 as one of the students is deleted. Note that the delete and move options are available to the teacher only before the team initiates the idea. Once the idea is initiated, only edit and reset password options will be available. If you go back to the dashboard, you will find that the number of teams and total students have changed as you have created the teams and added the students. Click on Select Team under Team Progress to see the individual student progress under different parameters. As the students haven't started the course or submitted the data, the parameters are shown empty. Now let's see how the teacher's course is done. To the left under the dashboard section, you will see the course section. Click on it and you will be shown lessons to finish the course. Read the instructions and click on Start Course. Once you finish the video, it will automatically move to the next video. Once you finish all the videos, you will be moved to the handbook field where you can download or print handbook, workbook and ATL themes documents. Click on Continue once you download or print the documents. You will be taken to the quiz field. Once you answer the quiz, a final score will be shown. Check the score and click on Continue. Congratulations on finishing your course. Read the instructions displayed on the screen. Under the Teams sections, you will find the Resources section. Click on it and you will be able to see that the resources needed to guide the students will be available here too. Click on the respective Navigate buttons to download the ATL themes, teacher handbook and student workbooks. Note, there are 7 themes and 14 problem statements in ATL Marathon, from which students can choose and come up with their own idea. After Resources, click on the FAQ section where all the frequently asked questions are present along with their respective answers. In the Support section, you can ask any query by clicking on the Ask Your Query button. Select the appropriate category and enter the details and click on Submit. You can check the answer to the query and the status will show as in progress, invalid or closed depending on the query that is asked. The post survey will only be activated after all the teams have submitted their ideas. My certificate will only be activated after the post survey is completed. In the My Profile section, you can find the profile details and school details of the teacher. You can edit the profile details by clicking on the Edit tab on the top right corner. By clicking on the Change Password, you can change the login password to the teacher portal by entering the current password, new password and confirming the new password and click Change Password. Now, let us see how the dashboard looks after the students have started the course and finished submitting their ideas. As you can see, there are 2 teams, 5 students and teacher course shows 100% as we have finished the course. Now let's check the team's progress by selecting the teams. As you can see, the team Enchanters have submitted the idea. Amir finished the course, post survey and got the certificate, whereas the other students haven't finished the course, post survey and did not get the certificate. To view the idea submitted by the team, you can click on View Idea. To change the initiator, that is, student who needs to initiate the idea, click on the Change button, select from the drop-down and click on Submit. Let's check the progress of the students. As we can see, the course is independent of the idea submission and post survey. That is, a student can submit their idea even before finishing the course. The teacher can also revoke an idea by clicking on the Revoke, which will reset the idea submission status to not submitted. By doing this, a student can go back to the idea which is now saved as a draft, make necessary changes and resubmit the idea, which can be reviewed by the teacher. Once all the teams have successfully submitted their respective ideas, post survey for the teacher will be activated. Once these post survey questions are answered and submitted, the My Certificate section will be activated. Here in My Certificate, the teacher can download the certificate indicating that the teacher has successfully finished the course and made sure that the student ideas are submitted. To safely log out of the portal, click on the Logout section at the bottom of the left-hand side, which will display a prompt showing Logout and Cancel. Click on Logout and you will be successfully logged out of the portal. Thank you for watching the ATL Marathon's Teacher Portal video.